Well, it's not every day a helicopter lands on Geo Carlson Boulevard. I don't know how two people could have such a head-on collision on this little piece of road. Somebody certainly could have took this person that needs airlifted. The hospital's literally a mile up over the hill. They could have drove them up there and then had them lifted. I mean, they've been out here at this accident for well over half an hour. It took a long time for that helicopter to get here. Jefferson, I would think that's down Philly, but they're heading west. And they're not going to the nearby hospital. They said it's literally right up there. Must be going out to Lancaster or all the way up to Hershey or Harrisburg. Who knows why they do what they do. Like I said, they certainly could have drove them up to the hospital a long time ago. And there's a helicopter sitting there. Well, whatever. Thought I'd share.